up on the bow of the ship. There she is. So you can go up top up there too. Somewhere up there is a swimming pool on one of those decks up there, but kind of windy and breezy out here. I don't have the little cushion on the GoPro, so it might be you're going to hear a little breeze coming in. Got the old bell up here. I'm tempted to ring it, but I won't here. So but we're heading up here towards some glaciers. You can see some off in the distance over there. There's one, and there's one. There's three of them. There's one over here, some back in there too. A little bit of ice, blue ice down there that are falling off and moving around. But yeah, chilly up here for sure. All right, I'm gonna head back down here. I'll save another glacier over there too. I'm gonna save this till when we get in the zodiacs, and they won't be moving as fast. I don't know. We'll see. All right, gotta get back inside now. There's a little piece of ice floating down there, and they're on the ship. I'm out on my balcony here. See if I can move around this table without dropping my camera. I'm trying to get a good shot of the glacier over there. Yeah. And kind of cold up here, ice floating in the water. There it is, a good sized glacier there for sure. Okay, we're coming up here. Got some little chunks of ice here.
That could be the
there we go. Let's take a look here. A few little birds. Don't see any seals or anything. Just ice. Chunks of ice there. So as we go up here,
but I heard that somebody
glacier's right up there. There we go. Okay, we're up close to the glacier. A lot of pieces of ice around here. I wouldn't necessarily call them growlers because they're probably parts that are falling off a glacier, not from icebergs. But they do good in a gin and tonic though, still I think, but could have air from, like I said, thousands of years ago inside of there. And we're on our boat with all our trusty travelers here, explorers extraordinaire. And it may not seem like they are, but they actually are there. So they may seem subdued here, but that's okay. And come around here, and there it is. And of course, yours truly is here because I'm on the Zodiac and bringing this to you from far different parts of the world here. So here we go. We'll do a little pan around here so you see. Okay, see you later. We got a seal right over there. Let's come by. There it goes. Maybe you'll come up on the boat. A little visit. Yeah, there he is.
Oh, wow.
He's looking there at that little ice over there.
There is another seal on the other side, guys.
Okay, thanks.
There is another seal coming to us. That's why they named the glacier after.
Okay, we're right here at the glacier. I don't know why I'm talking quiet, but I am. To give it a little more drama. There's the glacier out there. There it is. It's a pretty good sized glacier. Some birds flying around there. See the different colors, the blues and the browns from the dirt and everything. They're up there and all different shapes. There's a piece there that looks like it's ready to fall off. There's a split down the center, another split on the other side. So it might be ready to go here. Maybe not right now, maybe another week or so here. But you could have some there. And here we are. We're cruising around. There's some of our fellow travelers there and their Zodiacs. Okay, we got some blue ice there. It depends on which way the sun is shining in there, but nice and blue. There you go. Look at that big chunk that must have fallen off. Yeah, there it is. We're a little bit closer now. You can see it right there. We're almost going to be able to go up and up close and personal. Okay, we're on the other side now of this chunk that broke off from the glacier a while back. And yeah, look at that. Nice chunk of clean blue ice up there. Yeah, looking pretty good back there. Okay, let's switch over here. We got the an engine noise, but oh well. What are you gonna do? We're in a Zodiac.